Texas, northeastern Titus County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilkerson, or 9 miles north of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Boston, DeKalb, Dalby Springs, up 259 and I-30 intersection, Wilkerson, Almont, and Lydia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Morris, Red River, and Titus.